Imagine your phone is like a treasure chest. Inside, you keep photos, messages, contacts, and even secrets. Now imagine detectives need to open that chest to help solve a mystery. This is where mobile forensics comes in, a special science that helps experts discover hidden clues inside phones and other mobile devices. What is mobile forensics? Mobile forensics is the careful process experts use to find, protect, and understand information on devices like smartphones, tablets, SIM cards, memory cards, smartwatches, and even smart home gadgets. The goal is to safely uncover deleted, hidden, or tricky-to-find data that might help solve crimes or important cases. Why is mobile forensics so important? Phones are filled with digital evidence. Detectives can find lists of calls and texts, social media chats, banking and payment info, photos, videos, and sounds, maps showing where the phone has gone, clues about app usage. Many crimes today, from scams to secret plans, involve phones. Law enforcement uses mobile forensics to catch criminals and protect people. Cyber experts use it to fight off hackers and keep everyone's digital world safe. Types of mobile forensics. Let's see the different kinds detectives use. One device forensics. This involves examining the inside of phones, tablets, and other devices to recover files, analyze apps, check settings, and find hidden or deleted data. It helps investigators understand what happened, when, and who used the device. 2. SIM forensics. This focuses on examining SIM cards to recover stored information such as phone numbers, SMS records, contact lists, network details, and deleted data. It helps investigators trace communication patterns and understand how the SIM was used. 3. Memory card forensics. This involves examining SD cards and storage chips to recover photos, videos, documents, and other files, even if they were deleted. It helps investigators uncover hidden media, trace user activity, and find crucial digital evidence. 4. App forensics. This involves examining apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, or Facebook to find hidden messages, chats, media, logs, backups, and deleted data. It helps investigators understand communication patterns and uncover important digital evidence. 5. Cloud forensics. Many apps store backups and data online. Cloud forensics involves examining cloud accounts and servers to recover files, chats, photos, logs, and deleted information. Detectives analyze this online data to trace activities and uncover key digital evidence. 6. Network forensics. This focuses on analyzing how a device connects and communicates online. Investigators study network logs, IP addresses, Wi-Fi activity, data transfers, and suspicious traffic to trace attacks, track users, and understand how a device interacted on the internet. 7. IoT and wearables. Forensics. Smart devices like smartwatches, fitness bands, speakers, and home IoT gadgets store data such as locations, steps, heart rate, activity logs, and device interactions. Investigators analyze this data to trace movements, timelines, and digital behavior. If you want to learn mobile forensics, conduct investigations, or set up a cyber forensics lab, connect today. Website: www.tanmaypro. Contact 8119256703. Enhance your skills. Strengthen your future. Build expertise in the fastest-growing digital investigation field.